Got an old Costco tent that the bungee cords have fallen off of, and I gathered up all the plastic balls. I bought a coil of springy rope. I've marked off some distances. I've got 12 inches, 15 inches, 18 inches, and I'll show you the process of how this gets put together right this second. Not sure I can do this in 30 seconds, but basically it's 15 inches here. Cut it off with whatever you got. I happen to have a interesting cutting tool. And then you heat seal the ends. Try not to burn it too much. Try not to set the place on fire. Then I tie an individual knot. I started out by tying a double knot. It didn't seem to work very well. You just have to get it through and then pull this up tight. Try and don't leave too much of an overhang at the end if you can avoid it. And then grab the ball, get a little piece of wire, wrap it around the springy cord, stick it through the ball. Now this is, of course, valuing my cheap bungee cord more than I value my time. Pull it through. Pull it through. Of course, you have to orient it properly. Take the wire out. Pull the first knot into the cavity inside. Pull the second knot in. But before you pull it all the way in, tip the other end in first, then bury it inside the cavity in the ball. A little clumsy, a minute per bungee cord. There it is. Works pretty well.